Josh Pablo, and this is the second episode of The Voice Kids Blind Auditions. And siguro ang pinakahinahanap ko lang sa team ko is yung karakter ng boses. Yung tipo na kapag nadinig mo siya, kahit nakatalikod ka or kahit nakapikit ka, alam mong may something, alam mong siya yun.
Yeah, Pablo explaining what they actually find when they try to find a talent, what they look for.
At alam mo na dadaling ka niya sa kakaibang lugar kasi may inihahatid siyang karakter. So, sa team ko, yun yung hinahanap ko, karakter. And everyone, I'm inviting you to watch the second episode of The Voice Kids Blind Auditions.
Hi everyone, so this is the second day of blinds. Naghahanap ako ng different singing style naman. Kung meron man akong kaming makakasalamuha sa mga kids na magpo-perform tonight, it's
Oh, look at Stella, it looks so damn good. I mean,
either may different singing style or talagang major shift or major different genre from everyone na meron ako sa team. Yun naman yung hinahanap ko, and titignan natin kung meron talaga. Ako yung pipiliin nila. But yeah, I'm very excited for today. Sobrang hype na hype ako for today. Excited.
can't wait for today's episodes.